My name is Bob Laughlin with Laughlin Audio Video Electric. We provide mostly electrical services to residential homes and service. I'm part of a Vistage group. There's 12 of us that get together once a month and share business experiences, how we're doing, and help each other become more successful.
Awesome. What did you enjoy about today's talk with Dale Richards?
Dale was incredibly informative. He has his finger on how to figure the value of your company in ways that you never even dreamt were possible, how to increase the value of it, from how to run your P&L to how to build culture and processes and systems, all the stuff we know we need to do that we put off. I'll definitely be having a key member of our group come tomorrow in the key group. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
tons of information.
And thanks for being
super
an
passionate
active participant. Great. And my name's Dale Richards. I'm a 8-year chair veteran and over 450 speeches across 42 states and 7 countries. And I want to plea with you to look at the opportunity to join a Vistage group. My members over my 8 years averaged 5 to 10x in value, revenue, profits. And so I can't say enough good about the Vistage model, and I think that you should look into the opportunity to join a Vistage group.
Absolutely.
Because it's a huge beneficial resource. And so come join Vistage. It'll pay you benefits personally and your business by a long shot. Thank you, Bob. Appreciate being with you today.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Likewise. Thanks, Dale.